Air, nature's gift. Air, mankind's connection to nature. We explore the infinite possibilities of air, refining temperature to a single degree in connecting body and mind to nature. We redefine air. Founded in 1968, Midea has now grown into a global leader in consumer appliances, HVAC systems, robotics and industrial automation systems, and smart logistics supply chain. As the world's #1 air treatment company and China's top export corporation, we have produced 38 million air conditioners and brought clean air into homes around the world. With 11 manufacturing bases in China and abroad, our air conditioner annual production capacity has reached over 67 million sets. We kept upgrading the capability by developing production lines, managing lean and automatic production with over 800 industrial robotics, and improving the quality system. From smart chips, motors, compressors, to air conditioner production, we have the integrated supply chain to stay on top of demand and ensure quality. At Midea, we invest in possibilities, from our laboratories to our experts, from new initiatives to long-term innovation. Our commitment to the future is clear. With over 1,000 R&D staff and over $300 million annual investments, our R&D team has created almost 6,000 patented breakthroughs in the industry. The advanced R&D institutes and design centers established in China, Japan, US, and Italy are contributed to explore more cutting-edge and intelligent air conditioners.